Hey everyone, welcome to eCraft Box. In today's video, you'll learn to make some easy multifold greeting cards. Before starting, if you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell button. So let's get started. Our first fold is called Pop-up Corner Fold. For this, you need a square shaped paper. Fold it into half, open, and from the other direction, once again fold it. So you get 4 parts. Now cut one end till the center of the paper. Now glue and overlap these 2 parts of the paper. Now comes the folding part. Now take the glued part and push it inside the other 2 sides of the paper and press. Lightly press. Now with whatever materials you have at your home, decorate the front part and rest of the sides of the card. Mix and match colors and patterns and decorate as you wish. If you don't have any pattern papers, in my earlier videos I have taught some DIY pattern papers, how to make your own pattern papers. You can wash them and include them in your greeting paper as well. At the center I am adding a flower. You may add bow or anything you wish. So our first fold, that is corner pop-up fold greeting card, is ready. Next is bridge fold greeting card. For this, take an A4 size paper, mark the center of the page and bring both the sides of the paper to the center of the paper, inward. Now take the side of the paper again outward. Please follow the visuals carefully. If you did not get it, please watch the video again. Now again, as you wish, you can decorate the card. Now open one flap. Just open one flap and take a strip of a paper or something of triangular shape which I had taken and stick 2 sides of this strip to the bridge fold card. Now I am decorating my card with some of the tags and butterflies. It is totally up to you. You can decorate with flowers, butterflies, pattern papers, anything. You may add some bows. While sticking the butterfly, fold it lightly and just add the glue on the center of the butterfly. It gives the 3D effect. Now our third fold is called side step fold. For this, again vertically and horizontally fold the paper and cut from the folded top part to the center of the paper. That is, my paper is 15 centimeters long and I am cutting up to 7.5 centimeters. Now fold it, make a crease. Now tuck in the folded part inwards and you get something like this. Watch it again. Okay. Now again mark the center of this part. Please watch carefully. Now cut only the front flap till the mark point. Don't touch the back flap. Fold it and again, as earlier, tuck it inside. So our side step fold is ready. Now it's time to decorate. Today I am not focusing much on decorating part. I am leaving it totally up to you. You may also decorate all the 3 cards I taught you today using photographs, and all these cards can be displayed on your study or office table. I hope you liked the video. Like, share and subscribe my channel. See you next week. Bye.